The Bitcoin price was experiencing a small dump today, and now also the key level of $19,200 is acting as a resistance. The question is, will this small bounce here lead to break $19,200 again, or will we see here more downside? That is something that we need to talk about today. Don't forget to smash up the like button and hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed yet, and also activate the bell if you want more of this highly interesting content that I have prepared for today. And now let's directly jump into this. So as we can see, Bitcoin was running here and confirming into this bigger resistance block here. So we can see that this is clear resistance here from these multiple tests, and also here we had multiple attempts to break back in. They failed, and Bitcoin started trending lower to the $19,200 key area, which has not held as support. We broke through this, got a retest, and confirmed this now as resistance. And now we see here a small bounce back up from the $18,800 level. So the question is this a bounce that could further push Bitcoin over $19,200, or will we see another rejection and confirm this here again and continue to go lower all the way to 18,500 and beyond this point? So I want to point out here, first of all, that we have here this downwards trending trend line right now. This trend line was not broken, so and that looks for me like a bump and run reversal pattern, where you have a lead and phase all the way up here. You have then your bump, which is technically here. So and now we have this phase here. So and the next one would be a break of the trend line to the upside with a retest, and then we would go into the run of that potential pattern. So the run would be, if you have to measure it, the run would be potentially be in the $19,600, $700 area-ish. So that is right now one trading idea that I have. So it doesn't have to play out, but at least that is one idea that I have, because it really looks like a bump and run pattern what we are seeing here, especially if I go here to the 4-hourly chart. Yeah, there you can also see it a little bit clearer. So but we have to see if this is actually playing out. There's no guarantee. So but when we are coming up here in the next coming hours, yeah, actually by tomorrow night at 3 a.m. UTC, we will know if we have here a bump and run pattern or not, if we can break this downwards trend line, or if we will continue to get rejected and go here way into lower levels. So when we go here into the higher time frames, then we see here more or less the same scenario. We have here still this falling wedge pattern. So we had here this fake breakout to the upside, and now we are back under this line. So and we get here also into an apex between this support line and this downwards trending line from the falling wedge. So we have to see here in the next coming hours in which direction we are breaking, either to the upside or to the downside. So if we would break to the upside, the target could be $20,400. If we break to the downside, it could be the bottom of the falling wedge, which is around $17,800. So no matter in which direction it goes, we can trade both of it. So if we are breaking $19,200, we can long to the upside, and if we break $18,900, we can short to the downside. And guys, don't forget, you can long and short here on BYBIT. You still get $4,030 in free bonuses and a free $1,000 Ethereum trade if you sign up with the link under the video description, or in the comment section here just under the video. Make sure that you click this link to get your bonuses. And also on BitGet, there you still get $8,000 for free, also only if you sign up with that specific link, guys. Guys, don't forget, take advantage of this. So if you want to follow my personal trades, then you can go to my free Telegram channel, or if you want to make money on a daily basis, then you can join my paid group. There we are crushing it every day, every single day. We are pumping signals out and making money there. Also check this definitely out. So now let's get back to Bitcoin. So this rounding bottom theory has, in my opinion, not played out. So I could here bend this still a little bit, but there are not enough touch points for me, and it starts to look distorted. So this has not worked out. So, and also here we have on on this daily chart also this massive downwards trend line that we could not break here at this point, and now we are trending here back to the downside. So based on this channel that we have here, we could fall even $300 lower to $17,550 approximately. So this would only change if we would break here convincingly above $20,700. Then we could expect a move all the way up to $23,500. Also, when we are looking here on the volume profile, we basically retested the lower end of this bigger volume traded cluster, got rejected from it here in the middle there. So, and that was basically the reason, because this is the longest volume traded bar in Bitcoin price action historically. So, and because it's the biggest area, that's why we got so heavily rejected from there by the attempt to breaking over half of it. So if we could have managed to establish to stay above $22,000, what I'm calling for a long time, if we stay above this, then we will definitely move here really quick up into much higher levels. So, but now you see we are trapped here between $17,600 and $22,000. That is more or less the range where Bitcoin is trapped right now. But you guys know at some point Bitcoin has to make a decision, either to break up out of this range or to break down out of this range, and that is basically what we are waiting for right now. Guys, that's it already for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think is going to happen. Will we break to the upside and go then way higher, or will we actually break out of the zone to the downside? I'm curious to know what you guys think. And don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you again tomorrow.